How you doing, guys? I wanted to chat with you about what's going on now. With my opinion, well, no, it's actually just a kind of a story about what I see going on. So the market is today is going down, and this weekend it was going up a little bit. Today it dipped back down. Normally on the weekends we go down a little bit and we come back during the week. It's kind of weird because I think it reminds me of how weird this particular bull market is. We're seeing coins go up and come down and not come back up and go down again. We're seeing them come down and then stay down and back and forth, this one, and then down again and back and forth and back and forth. And what that does to you when it's your money, imagine you come into this market with 50 bucks and you put 100 bucks into and you double your money. So you go up to 100 bucks in January and you're like, wow, I'm rich, I'm doing this, I'm killing it. And then it takes a little dip and it goes back down to like 60 bucks. You're like, okay, but it's cool. I started with 50, but when you make that 100, you feel like that's your 100 now. Like it's not 50 and you made 100. That 100 feels real to you. So you had 100, now you lost 40 bucks. If you look out at the big picture, you're still up 10 bucks from what you came here with. But you feel like you're down 40 bucks. And you are, because that was real money. So you're at 60 bucks, and this market has a lot of volatility. What volatility means is a lot of movement, up and down and up and down. It's not stable like the stock market. You make 30% in a year, that's a win. 30% in crypto, either direction is like, it's like a day's work. So when your money your 50 bucks went up to 100 and then it comes down to 60 and then it stays there for like a month. It doesn't go back up right away. You start getting nervous like, am I missing something here? And right when you say, hey, it's probably smart if I buy in now because it's lower. So maybe I'll put another 25 bucks in because it's low, and when it goes back up I'll make my money back faster, right? So you had 60 bucks, you put 25 more, you have 85 bucks now, but still at this price. And it dips again another 50%. 50%. Now you have 85 bucks in, but you really have you really have 75 bucks in, but it's dropped down to like 30 bucks. Like that makes you sort of want to cry, right? That's what's going on in crypto. And again, once it's down there, they're like, buy the dip, buy the dip. So you think the smartest thing, I'm gonna put more money, and I just put 25 more. I don't have any more money. And it's sitting at the bottom, and you call your friends and your neighbors and your aunts and you say, hey, you remember that 20 bucks I lent you? Hey, you remember that 5 bucks I lent you? Hey, I got a new opportunity, man. You guys should get in first, and I can help you with the money. Whatever you do, however you come up with your money, you get another 50 bucks and you put it in at the ultimate bottom, and you're gonna skyrocket. You just think of all the money you're gonna make, and all it just needs to do is turn up. And it turns up a little bit, and it messes with your emotions. And you know what it does? It just buries. That's volatility. If you're not cut out for that, you're in trouble in this game, because that's what it's about. But all that hard work, if you make it through it, if you can stomach that, there's light at the end of the tunnel. And I think there's big payoffs at the end. But people think the bull market and making quick money is easy. I'll just put my money in and watch it go brrr. That's not how it goes. If you watch it every day because you're learning, you want to read charts and you want to understand trends and all this type of thing, then that means you're looking at your portfolio balance. And that thing is going to do this, and then it's going to, and it's tough. So my hope to you is, I think there's some things going on that I think are the reasons that's causing this market to be so rough. Honestly, mine's down from February. It stopped going up. It's gone down since. But that's because I'm heavy in alts this year. I have my ETH to the side. I have my Bitcoins to the side. But all my play stuff that I'm trying to make a ton of money with is all rock bottom. So you stick it out, you get through it, and it's light at the end of the tunnel. I hope you guys aren't getting murdered by it, because there's a lot of people wanting to cut the wrist over this now. It is harsh out here. But keep your head up, keep your head above water, and any chance you get to pick into something else, do that. And we'll talk about some more techniques to avoid this kind of trauma the next time around in the market or later in this market if you guys want to get into that. Take care, and I hope you salvage some money today.